Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to underline text in InDesign. So let's begin the video. At first, click and drag to highlight the text you want to underline. In the character panel, find the underline button. If the character panel isn't visible, then go to the window menu at the top, select Type and Tables, and then Character to open the character panel. Now here you can find the underline button. It looks like a T with a line underneath it. Click the underline button to apply underlining to the selected text. And here you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.